Oh, where you going now? What you doing tonight? I got no plan. No, I don't. I got nothing going on. Nothing. Yeah. Why would I there? No need at all. Yeah. See, I'm trying out something I never did before. No, I never did before. Oh, you better think I'm good. I'm going. What I'm gonna tell you now, I ain't told nobody else. No, I never did, you know, and I never would. So deep inside, you know what I'm gonna do? It's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do. Have sex with a man. Yeah. I'm not a woman, except what I'm wearing tonight. Oh, thank you. Well, the gay loves and everything else. I'm gonna party with him. Just get myself a dream. I don't do alcohol. No, I don't. No, I never did, you know. I wear women's clothes. I ain't screwed up though. Why would I be? I'm waiting out the station. Get my ride. I keep it away from home. Nobody that you know would know. Everybody say hello. I lived the road of my life, you know I did, you know I did. Could never find no one. Talk about it, what I'm thinking. Try the breathing. No luck at all. Oh yes I did. No luck at all. No joy, no joy. Well, why would I so? Well, I'm there for a night of fun and joy. I took something with him. better. I don't know why. He's a professional, and I'm not at all. But I think I'm a woman now. I really do. Looking at mirror, past is gone. Only till 7 a.m. That's what I pay for. Maximum pay. I met him through someone else. Yes, I did. Had the same thoughts as me. What could I do? I jump for joy. It ain't an easy one. It ain't an easy one. Oh no, no, no. I won't tell you about it, except I'm all dressed up. It wasn't played on the radio. What you say on the BBC? Put it in the cheap paper. Somebody's found out about me. What you say? Alright, I don't know. I don't know. What can I think when that drug wear out? I'm not so sure. Don't forget we're outside today, everybody. We're outside. A lot of money to pay, you know what? Did I have a good time? Don't really know.